What's up? Uptown Swing Solo Jazz. This is Classics Month. I am Peter. This is week 2. We did some stuff that starts on 1. Go a little something like this. We start with a box step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We did a boogie drop, boogie drop. We also did some more steps. We did skates. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hop. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We did trucking. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we also did the dreaded Suzy Q on both legs. So we started like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. We did one thing that starts on 8 today, the TOBA break, or the full break. Goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, ha, ooh, ah, 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 ah. You could also end it like this. 8, ooh, ha, ooh, ah, 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 ha, ha. We'll put it all together. We'll do more transitions next week. Yeah.